Hi, my name is Donatella Arpaia, celebrity chef, Iron Chef judge, and today we are going to talk about Valentine's Day. We are in February and it also is Heart Health Month, and I'm married to a heart surgeon, so I know a lot about how to take care of your heart. And as a restaurateur through the years, everyone gets nervous, especially the men, because they haven't made a reservation at a restaurant. And well, let me tell you, most of us can't go out to a restaurant for Valentine's Day this year, so I say make your own intimate Valentine's Day at home. And whether you live in a big house or a small apartment, there are fun and easy things that you can do to make it special and heart healthy. So here are a few of my tips. Number one, get dressed up, get out of those sweats, and break out all your great china that you haven't used, including your crystal, and set out a beautiful favorite wine. Make sure you think about your partner and think about what they like. That's very important. Another tip that I like to do is to print out a special menu and unveil it in a special way with love notes. Now, if you have a bunch of kids around, I like to separate the Valentine's Day. So I have two toddlers, so I get them little toddler gifts that don't involve sugar and don't involve them going crazy. And for my 9-year-old, I get him involved in cooking, and we make our own Valentines separately. But for you and your partner, I usually like to do an intimate party like in the living room, lots of candles, and of course, baking. And during the quarantine especially, I've become obsessed with the Philips XXL air fryer, not only for heart healthy cooking and for fat removal technology, but also for baking. I'm not a pastry chef, never claimed to be, but look what I just did. Boom, I made a red velvet cake. It cooks it in like three times faster than normal baking. Okay, this will be embarrassing if I drop it on camera, but I don't think I will. Hold on a second. And I have this cute little bundt cake pan that fit right in my air fryer. And it's cooled down, so I'm going to flip it over. Okay, and instead of the traditional cream cheese frosting, which is laden with sugar and fat, I like to just use heavy cream with mascarpone cream. I'm Italian. Mascarpone cheese is not just for tiramisu. I whip it up with just a little bit of sugar and I drizzle it on. Nothing fancy, but still really beautiful and fun. And another thing I like to do is make food interactive. So if you see over here, we have strawberries. You just get good quality baking chocolate, and you don't have to use a double boiler. Use the microwave to melt your chocolate. It's really easy. I don't use my microwave for a lot, but I do like it for boiling chocolate. And this is how you can spend an intimate dinner for two, make your loved one feel special, and also take care of your heart. So for more of my tips and more of my heart-healthy recipes, all using the Philips air fryer, just take a look at the app.